always.
About to head to OKC, man, to get it in, man.
Yes.
So, we here. I think I'm nervous, man. My heart beating. She's ready. Get this done.
All right.
Girl one, look like a lilac merle female.
What? I
Go
see,
back.
baby. I see, baby.
Got a chocolate male.
This is the milk?
My little helper always in the way.
Huh?
I don't know to call this black or she gonna be blue, but this a female.
See.
Put it in the camera for y'all. We got two like these.
She like.
That's one. And then here go two. Little short noses, snouts. This is a male. Like he's gonna be champagne. Some might turn out tries. You know, it's still, this is day one.
You, Mike. No, don't eat it. This is that.
And then we got a female. She might turn out a little smut. She's gonna be available. I got one more salad to show. Female. She might be a smut as well. And if y'all wondering why they're small, that's because the mom is a pocket. Dad is XL. But I think they're gonna take after the mom. This is a female merle.
Thank you, Mike. Oh.
We had 14, but we lost one. It comes with it, you know. She's pretty, not he. This is a male. All of them got like the little short snout. These won't be no long snout puppies right here, man, I promise. This is a female. And it's hard because they look alike. You gotta put some ribbons on them. This is another merle female. We got a merle male. He's gonna be nice. Then last but not least, everything go right. This is gonna be my keeper right here. I'm gonna put her close to the counter. Let's check her out. No neck, thick, compact, no snout. At a day old.
Okay.
This gonna be the one that I bring back to black cheesy killers right here, man. For sure, for sure. She's a little monster. And with these puppies, this is Zoe times Jit breeding. Like I said, we had 14, but we lost one due to complications. We lost a blue male female, but we still happy with the rest of what we have now. For any info, just feel free to hit me in my DMs at Instagram at blackcheesy_kennels. Or you can do TikTok, Black Cheesy Kennels 2. Or you can find me on Facebook at Diasmin Warfield. Or even, oh, I said my Instagram. That's all the social media I really have, you know. DM me. And these puppies will be registered. That'll be ABR registered. If you want ears done, we can do all that. But like I said, they just a day old. So we won't really know anything for sure for about another 2 weeks. And after that, we'll give y'all any information that you really need.